Look at this huge box I got from Brown Sugar Babe that I need to open today. Okay, let's get right into it because I don't have time to waste. I want to know what's up in here. Thank you so much, Brown Sugar Babe, for always working with your girl. It's been like 2 years now. So, how cute! Look, I'm wearing the perfect colors. Y'all, look at this. Talk about summer. Oh my God, I wore the perfect. Oh my God! Hold on, hold on, hold on. Is that what I think it is? Oh, snap. Look at this colorful frill. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's giving summer vacay vibes. Oh my God, and I'm about to wear this today. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Hold on. Thumbnail. All right, y'all, I'm so excited. I was not expecting this big old thing. Okay, let's get all the frill out. This thing is bigger than me. Thank you so much, Brown Sugar Babe. Wait a minute, I gotta take a picture of this. This is so cool. I love it, I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, let's put it down. Let's get it out. Y'all, Brown Sugar Babe be spoiling me. Oh my gosh, I love y'all so much. Thank you. Oh my gosh, hold on. Hold on. Okay, y'all ready? This is the biggest PR package they've ever given. Y'all, a bog bag? Everything happens for a reason. Because the reason why I'm able to do this right now at this moment is because I was on my way out the door and I look outside and I got 2 boots on my car. So I can't go nowhere until they come. And they said ETA 45 minutes. So guess what? We are unboxing some PR. Y'all, look at this bag. Brown Sugar Babe, you have outdone yourself because how is this even real? I will be doing a giveaway soon, y'all. So don't worry, you'll be able to indulge in these beautiful things as well with me. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the box. The box is so pretty. I want to keep this box because like it's summer in a box. How cute is that? I'm so in love. Thank y'all. Look at the bag. What? And look, it got the branding on it. BSB, Brown Sugar Babe, yeah. Oh, look at this color. This color is so pretty. I'm wearing this today because I'm going to the beach today. Period. I love it. Okay, let's see what oils we have, okay? So the first thing, Summer Madness, Stay Cool. What's this about? Let's see. This doesn't seem like an oil. It seems like something else. What is it? Oh, that's so cute. A fan. Come through with the branding. Gotta charge it. Yo, this is so cute. Look at this. Like Brown Sugar Babe fan, and it's brown. Oh my gosh, I'm about to charge you up right now. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so hyped. Everything happens for a reason. That's why it says stay cool, because it's a fan. And obviously has a little charger. All right, what else is in here? Oh my gosh, bag charms. Oh, I'm about to cry. Look, it says my name. Hold on, we gotta put this together. Look, and it matches me. BSB, Brown Sugar Babe. I'm a Brown Sugar Babe for life. What's this one? I think this one says summer. Y'all, not Brown Sugar Babe snapped. Summer Madness. It's a Summer Madness effect for Brown Sugar Babe, y'all. Like, why would they spoil me like this? Brown Sugar Babe, Ariel, and Summer Madness. Like, next, we have this thing. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna open it and see. I think this is a bag separator. Yep, I'm so smart. This is to make little dividers in the bag. Because look, it goes in here and then through the house to make some separation. That's super cute. All right, let's go. Oh! I love Brown Sugar Babe. If y'all are not shopping Brown Sugar Babe for your summer madness essentials, what are you even doing? Like, I got a whole summer collection. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm so hyped, like y'all don't even understand. All right, so we have a little pouch that also goes on the bag. I'm gonna do a little set up my Brown Sugar Babe summer bag with me video. All right, then we have the Summer Madness Collection pamphlet, shimmering body oil. And look at you guys, it's a Fumi. How cute. Look at this girl, she's like Rihanna. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 oils in this collection. And then here is the mother load, the oils. Y'all, look at the, that's how you do a brand. Y'all see the branding on everything? Yes, ma'am. Yep. All right, let's get into it. When I tell y'all I am so honored to be a part of the Brown Sugar Babe family, y'all just do not know. Like, this is the one brand I know for sure I can count on. Like, they always look out for your girl, all right? So, let's get into the Summer Madness collection from Brown Sugar Babe. Y'all get y'all summer coins together. We're gonna be smelling good and looking good this summer. Let's get into it. So it comes with 4 body oils for the Summer Madness collection. Let's go into the names. First we have Woo Chow. Woo Chow, okay? Then we have diced pineapples. I'm mostly excited for this one because who doesn't want to smell like a pineapple snack? Then we have Tropical Inferno, also something I'm really excited to try. And then we have Beach Vibes. Yes, ma'am. So we got 4 new body oils in this collection. Fumi girl, you are stunning. Do y'all see her? Baby, she ate this up. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get into the oils and the scents. We're gonna go in order. So first we have Beach Vibes. All right, you can see the notes right here on the screen. Beach Vibes. I'm gonna open it from the bottom. I don't know what the bottles look like. Oh, they're still brown. Okay, cool. I thought they were gonna be a different color. Here is Beach Vibes. Let's smell it. Oh my gosh. I didn't even open the thing yet and I can smell it from here. Oh yeah. This is a true vacation in a bottle scent. I'm gonna wear this up. I'm gonna eat this one up. Beach Vibes. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I have perfume and stuff already on, so I'm not gonna go too deep, but this smells so good. All right, next up we have Woo Chow, inspired by Room 1015 Wave Chow. Don't know what that is, but baby, let's get into Woo Chow. I like the name. Jesse Woo, you made this one? All right, so here is Woo Chow. Y'all see the notes. Love at first sniff. Okay, this one kind of smells like Beach Vibes a little bit, but this one is a little sweeter. Actually, this one's giving a little date night. I like this one. Woo Chow. Yeah, I like that name for sure. All right, next we have Tropical Inferno. Can y'all see the packaging? Like, the packaging. Love it. Tropical Inferno. Yeah, she's tea. So far, the one I love the most is Beach Vibes. Beach Vibes and Woo Chow. And the last one is Diced Pineapples. I already know. Just in case you're wondering how you use Brown Sugar Babe, you use it after a bath or a shower as moisturizer. Massage the oil. Add to your bubble bath for moisture. I would try that one day, adding some oil to my bubble bath. I'm gonna be coming out slick, honey. Coming out so slick. Oh, baby. It's giving pineapple rum. It's giving pineapple colada. It's giving pineapple refresher. Oh, I'm gonna put this one on today, even though I already have pink pound cake on. If I had to choose 2 that you should definitely get, it'll be Diced Pineapples and Beach Vibes. They smell amazing and it's 2 different vibes. Love it so much. Thank y'all so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Just kidding. We have to do the rest of this video. So here is the shimmering body oil. Y'all will see a separate clip on the outside. I'm gonna do it in the sun as well. Definitely want y'all to see that. Oh my gosh. Y'all, wait a second. Look at it. All right, we gotta go try these on outside, babes.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these type of videos, make sure you subscribe, put your notification bell on, and like this video and comment what other videos you would like to see. Would you like to see a scent routine? Would you like to see how to make your perfume and scent last all day? Let me know down in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Oh.